Alright, in this video you're going to learn how to take what we called was accumulated time, but it was actually the rate in inches per second, or the speed, right, in inches per second. And we're going to find out how fast that Hot Wheels car was moving in miles per hour. And so I've already converted these numbers into inches per second. If you had not yet done that, that should be completed. And then once from inches to seconds, you're going to convert to miles per hour. And so let me explain how you're going to do that. There are quite a few ways to do that. I think the easiest for us and at our ability level right now, right, is that we know I got this 50 inches for 1 second here from my track number 1 and the time that we have for it. Well, I need this in hours. So I know there are 60 seconds in 1 minute, so I'm going to times this by 60, because that's how many seconds there are in 1 minute. So this 60 represents seconds in a minute, right? Seconds in 1 minute. And then I'm going to times it by 60 again, right? Because this answer will be in minutes, and I want to know what it was in an hour. And there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. Okay? So when you times 50 times 60, you're going to get an answer of 3,000. And then I'm going to times it by 60 again, okay, for representing the minutes, because there's 60 minutes in an hour. And you're going to get 180,000. Okay. So what you just found right there is that this is traveling at 180,000 inches per hour now. So we've just changed the bottom unit from seconds to hours. And that's the first part we need. Now we need to change inches, right, to miles. Well, we have to go about that because there are 12 inches in 1 foot. So I'm going to divide this by inches, because there are 12 inches in 1 foot. And then I'm going to divide that, now you probably don't know this conversion, some of you may, by 5,280. The reason I'm going to do that is because there are 5,280 feet in 1 mile. And so when I take 180,000 and I divide that by 12, I get 15,000. And then I will take 15,000 divided by 5,280. And I will get 2.84 and some decimal. You can just round it to the nearest hundredths. And so it's 2.84, and this is miles per hour. So let me just explain what we did very quickly. We took 50 inches and we times it by 60 seconds and then times it by 60 minutes. And then we divided it by 12 inches and by 5,280. Right? I'm going to put a box around what you need to do, right? Or what you would need to do with the 3 times that you have to find. This is your step 1. This is your step 2. But there's micro steps inside of each step. Right? So repeat this video and let it help you figure out how to change inches in seconds to miles per hour. So I hope this was helpful. You can always pause it and replay it if you need more help.